List building strategies are the core of an e-commerce website and the lifeblood of any e-commerce site. Lists build customer loyalty, trust, and repeat sales. List building strategies are the key to successful e-commerce web businesses. But sometimes, all these list building strategies fail and your web business starts to crumble. Failure of list building means the failure of your web marketing. It means you will not have enough visitors to your site. This is where web marketers must step back and re-evaluate their strategies. List building strategies are vital but sometimes even more important than the strategies themselves. Email marketing can be highly effective if it is done properly. But the problem is, many online marketers try to abuse the system and fill it with spam. This is not good for you or the visitors on your list. List building is all about gaining trust and loyalty from your list. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about list building strategies, driving targeted visitors to your list building page. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you are sending junk emails to your list, then you are not building any real relationship. List building is all about building relationships with people on your list. List building is about helping them get to know you and what you do. It's about providing useful information to your subscribers and prospects. Once you have a relationship with your subscribers and they see you as a leader who cares about your customers, then they will trust you and will want to buy from you. List building is a great way to gain the trust and loyalty of your list. There are 3 main strategies that you can use to build your list. These are article marketing, video marketing, and email marketing. All of these methods are great tools to use when you are first starting out on the web. If you use all 3 methods at the same time, you will see better results. Article marketing is an easy way to start building your list. You write articles related to your niche and put them in front of other webmasters. You can use these articles to give away free reports or place them on your own website. The more times you publish these articles, the more backlinks you will have to your site. This will drive more traffic to your site. Video marketing is another great way to generate traffic to your list. You record a presentation about something related to your niche and upload it to YouTube. Then you simply have your audience watch the video as often as they want. This is a very powerful marketing tool because your audience will see your presentation multiple times. So they will be exposed to your products multiple times, which is a great opportunity to sell to them. List building strategies are very important if you want to make money online. But in order to make money online, you have to learn how to make money in the first place. This involves a lot of web marketing skills. So don't give up if you haven't developed your own strategy. The important thing is that you learn how to drive targeted traffic to your web pages. List building strategies don't just involve making your own sales pages. They also include building relationships with others in your niche. For example, let's say you are a jewelry website owner. Instead of just throwing a high-ticket item on your site, you might offer an even better deal just for the person who comes to your site. Tell them about some of the other items you have for sale. Then, when a person sees the product that she really wants, she might be more likely to buy from you than from one of the other competitors who have the same old products. List building strategies aren't always easy to develop. It may take a lot of trial and error before you find the right ones. However, if you do your research carefully, you will find that there are hundreds of different opportunities to generate list building traffic. Some require a lot of work, but other opportunities come to you rather easily. The trick is to know where to find these opportunities and to act quickly once you find them. If you are new to list building, you should probably stick to the basic idea of sending traffic to a single page. If you start seeing an increase in sales after that, you can diversify your offerings and use the list building strategies to build more sales. Just keep in mind that you should only use these techniques for list building, not as an income-generating method of your own. If you do it at the expense of your main website, you may end up hurting it more than helping it. Thanks for watching my video about list building strategies, driving targeted visitors to your list building page. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.